Bonjour, my friends. I'm Frankie, and welcome to Club Foodie. It's almost the end of summer, and for many of us, it's harvest time. There are so many delicious recipes we can make using our fresh produce, like stuffed peppers, zucchini bread, tomato sauce, and many more, including my caponata. With eggplant, peppers, onions, celery, and tomatoes, let me show you how to make this tasty Italian dish that's perfect for this time of year. So let's start. First, we'll prep the eggplant. So after cutting off the top and bottom ends and leaving the skin on, as it has a great antioxidant called niacin, we'll slice it lengthwise to about 3/4 inch thick. And then slice it again into strips before cubing it. Just like this. Easy peasy, right? We'll transfer them to a large bowl and at first drizzle on about 2 tablespoons of oil. Now, with our clean hands, because it works better, we'll toss the cubes to coat and then add a little more oil. I normally use a 1/4 cup. And of course, toss again until coated. We'll generously season with ground sea salt, toss the mix, and scatter the cubes in a single layer onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. We'll transfer to a 425-degree preheated oven and roast for 30 minutes, flipping the cubes and rotating the pan halfway through cooking. When time is up, we'll remove from the heat and let it cool off for at least 20 minutes or until needed. Meanwhile, we'll prep the tomatoes. After blanching them, wish I didn't show you how because there's a great tutorial on it, so to view it, click on the top right corner of your screen. We'll cube them. I'm using Romas, but other kinds like beefsteak, San Marzano, brandy wine, and others are a great substitute. All right, let's move on to the stove. In a Dutch oven over medium heat, we'll add 2 tablespoons of oil. And when it gets hot, we'll add onions and celery. We'll season with ground sea salt and saute the vegetables until they soften, about 8 minutes. To this, we'll add red peppers and yellow peppers, although you can use green or orange. Then we'll season with freshly ground black pepper. We'll stir well and cook for 5 minutes. Next, we'll add pressed garlic and quickly saute it for only 30 seconds. We'll now add the tomato paste. If there's some leftovers, click on the link showing on the top right corner of your screen. It's a good tip. And we'll stir until the veggies are coated before adding our tomatoes, green olives, and I'm using the one stuffed with pimiento, then some dry red wine, followed by balsamic vinegar, capers that we rinsed and drained, and a little bit of red pepper flakes. We'll stir until nicely combined. The next ingredient we'll add is raw sugar. I prefer using this instead of honey. And we'll stir once again before adding a large bay leaf. We'll bring the mixture to a simmer, and when it gets there, we'll reduce the heat to medium-low and cook gently for 10 to 12 minutes. When time is up, we'll add the eggplant, stir to mix, and cook for an additional 5 minutes. A few minutes later, we'll remove the bay leaf and discard it. Then we'll stir in some fresh chopped parsley, fresh chopped oregano, and fresh chopped basil. Like I always say, we'll taste and adjust the seasoning if necessary. Transfer the mixture to a serving bowl, garnish with basil leaves, and serve immediately. And my friends, this is our caponata. This Sicilian dish is so delicious, healthy, and also versatile. It can be an appetizer along with crostini, a main course, as well as a side for fish, chicken, or pork. With fresh vegetables, this is a great recipe to make often. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!